One beautiful evening, Ivan Tcherviakoff, a minor official, was sitting in an opera house, watching a famous opera. As he sat there, he felt extremely relaxed and happy. But suddenly, his face grew wrinkled. He held his breath, bent forward, and he sneezed. Now, sneezing is not prohibited anywhere. Everyone sneezes. Naturally, Tcherviakoff did not feel embarrassed. He wiped his nose and made sure that he had not disturbed anyone. But then, eventually he felt deeply ashamed. He saw an old man who was sitting in front of him, wiping his bald spot and muttering something. Tcherviakoff recognized him. He was General Brizgalov of the Department of Highways. He was not his chief, but he still felt awkward. He cleared his throat, shifted himself forward, and said to the general,
"I beg your pardon, Your Excellency. I accidentally sneezed on you. I didn't mean to."
Never mind, never mind. Sit down, please.
He began watching the opera, but no longer felt happy again. Anxiety began to trouble him. During the interval, he approached the general and said,
"I sneezed on you, Your Excellency. Excuse me. You see, I did not do that too."
Oh, enough of that. I had already forgotten about it, and you keep on at the same thing.
After the opera concluded, Tcherviakoff still thought that the general had malice in his eye. He wanted to apologize, and make sure that the general doesn't think he was spitting. The following day, Tcherviakoff went to the general's office. Sitting at a large table in the center was the general, who had already begun his reception. Tcherviakoff came in and pleaded to the general.
"Yesterday at the opera, if you remember, Your Excellency, I sneezed and accidentally spat at you. Please excuse me."
You are talking about the same thing. What nonsense.
"But Your Majesty, I can assure you from a feeling of repentance, that I did not sneeze on purpose."
Get out.
He was horrified to see the general so angry. He decided to return home. Something seemed to break inside Tcherviakoff. He could not see or hear a thing. When he reached home, he lay down on a sofa, without taking off his uniform, and died.